What's up guys, Justin here with the CGEssentials.com, back with another Blender quick tip for you. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix the issue where sometimes your zooming gets really slow inside of Blender. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. So one thing you might have noticed inside of Blender is sometimes when you have an object and you try to zoom into it, there's a point at which your mouse will no longer allow you to scroll in by scrolling up on your mouse wheel in order to zoom closer to an object. In addition, you can see how scrolling out, it's really slow to scroll for a little while as well. So this can be really problematic, especially if you have objects that are like smaller that you're trying to zoom into. Notice how this no longer will let me do this. So to fix this, we want to go up to Edit, Preferences, and then under Navigation, there's an option for Auto Depth, and we want to check this box. And what that's going to do is that's going to use the depth under the mouse to improve the zooming. So if you check that box, then you zoom in, notice how I can zoom in as close or as far from this object as I want. I have no idea why this is not enabled by default. It literally seems to be the only thing that this option does, but it makes your experience a lot better. So I would recommend that you go up to Edit, Preferences, and under your Navigation, clicking the button for Auto Depth. That's going to make it so that your mouse will zoom in and you're not going to have the slow zoom issue inside of Blender anymore. So that's where I'm going to end this video. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment down below and let me know. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Every little bit helps, so make sure you check out that link in the notes down below. But in any case, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.